I'm meteorologist Margot Altschuler. Yes, this storm system has been very intense. Seen some pretty big tornado video coming out from Mississippi and portions of Louisiana. Now we're tracking the system as it makes its way across the Mississippi-Alabama border. Eventually, it's going to trek north and east and eventually hit our area. Now we are quiet here in East Tennessee for now, but as we head on into late tonight, going into early tomorrow morning, that's when this system is expected to hit. So the the Storm Prediction Center has placed our area under that 1 out of 5 threat. Now our threat specifically, we're on a medium end for heavy rain that could lead to localized flooding, as well as a medium for wind damage. Now this is because those gusts, especially in the peaks of the Great Smoky Mountains, could get up to 80 miles an hour. Our hail and tornado threat are on the low end, but that does not mean zero. So we'll keep an eye on everything. A look from our 6th predictor as we head on into the rest of tonight. It's going to be dry up until about 3 a.m. That's when we start to see this initial line of that storm system moving on into the area. Now, this is not the intense part that we're monitoring. It comes around 5 a.m. where we start to see this deep red line moving through the plateau. That's the most intense portion of the storm system moving through our area. This is that line that could produce those damaging winds, even could produce a very quick spin-up tornado. So this is very important to know before heading off to bed to have your weather notifications turned on. And as quick as the system moves in, just as quick as it moves out, because by about 9 a.m. we should be left with nice dry conditions and temperatures starting to cool just a bit. Now with that being said, because of that wind damage threat, the National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a high wind warning for the Great Smoky Mountains. You can see all the areas highlighted in purple here. This is because winds could stay gusting about 25 to 40 miles an hour and could gust up to 80 miles an hour. This lasts until 1 p.m. tomorrow. Now I want to take a look at our Sky 6 Gatlinburg Sky Park camera. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but there's ever so slightly a bounce already, and that storm system is not even here yet. This is just winds coming down from the mountain. That's what we call downsloping winds. So I just want everybody to be aware of that. Winds right now pretty gusty along the plateau. We're seeing 28 mile an hour gusts in Jamestown, 21 mile an hour gusts in Crossville, 28 mile an hour gusts though at Mount LeConte. So things are about to get a lot breezier. If you have any lightweight items outside, might want to take care of them before you head off to bed. And as I mentioned, this system moving on through is going to be an overnight system when a lot of us are already asleep. So it's a good idea to go ahead and have your weather notifications turned on. Our weather app, Knoxville Weather, will send you notifications. If you want to, you can go ahead and scan this QR code on your screen right here. I'll give you just a moment, but if you don't have enough time to grab your phone out, you can always search in the Apple Store and Google Play Knoxville Weather, and we will definitely keep you up to date as we head on in to the rest of tonight. Going into tomorrow, we will see morning storms. This is between around 1 a.m. going into 9 a.m. Then by Monday, we're briefly drier. Tuesday, which is New Year's Eve, we do expect to see some scattered showers moving on through. Those showers are being driven by a big cold front, and that big cold front is really going to play a key role into why we see temperatures dropping very quickly. We'll be in the mid-40s by Wednesday, which is closer to average. Eventually, by next Saturday, we'll be in the upper 30s with a slight chance at seeing some spotty showers, maybe even a wintry mix. But again, the important message for tonight is strong to severe storms will be moving through between 1 a.m. and 7 a.m. We'll continue to keep you up to date.